Now is long form storytelling की आप बात कर रहे थे कुछ टाइम पहले, that the next step up from the sketches was long form storytelling, and you had also started working towards that. Just a casual question, long form storytelling उस टाइम पे TVF का फोटे बोलते थे लोग जब मैं कॉलेज में था. AIB used to come up with 15-20 minute sketches and TVF used to come out with series, episodic series. तो ऐसा कुछ उस टाइम पे होता था क्या कि यू यूज टू कीप एन आई आउट ऑन TVF किस तरह का काम कर रहा है? बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे हमारे कैंपस से बहुत चलता था AIB वर्सेस TVF, AIB वर्सेस TVF. ऐसा कुछ उधर भी होता था क्या?
AIB versus TVF. Yeah. AIB versus TVF was mainly because of the sketches. Because what TVF did was, after a point, they immediately moved into the long format. They knew what they wanted. They wanted to get. They wanted to get the long format basically get into web series immediately, and they started churning out content. So I mean, obviously there were comparisons between AIB and TVF, but हमारा तो उस time पे I would say was not very conflicted with this, but like our fans were very conflicted about AIB versus TVF and YouTube. But I think what we did at that point of time was to put all our effort and time and resources into TV show.
On air था ना?
Yes,
AIB
so
on
we
air.
were on air with AIB.
AIB on air था.
Yeah. So we, I think उस time पे what these guys saw was to jump into TV, and what TVF saw was to just jump into
digital
web series and develop more content. Both were very different directions for us. We were looking into some other direction. They were looking into some other direction. Over internet, people would always say AIB versus TVF, which we were okay with because we were not actually doing anything related to web series at that point of time. And like our idea was also to have very like less people and less. I wouldn't say we would want to have such a huge office with 150 people and like to have that kind of content generation business at that point of time. Priority नहीं था हमारा. हम जो कर रहे हैं वो वही अच्छे से
कर रहे हैं.